What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at some PLA filament that looks like wood. So this is going to be a PLA filament from Conjure. So this is going to be great for creators who want to print out objects that look like it's made out of wood, similar to what I have here. So, but first, before we get into what it looks like, let's go ahead and take a look at the filament itself. So this is going to be a 1 kilogram spool right here. This is going to be in the white oak color. And this is going to be in their walnut color. Now, when you get a closer look at this, you can see that the color looks like a matte color. It really replicates that wood material. Even the filament itself, it feels kind of rough. Now, what I really like about this is that it comes in with these reusable spools. So once this is out, you can reuse the spool. And if you have any questions about what temperature and speed to use this at, it's going to be labeled right here on the spool itself. Now, this is going to work with a lot of 3D printers. It uses your 1.75 diameter size, which is very common, so you shouldn't have a problem with this filament. Now, one good thing about this filament, it's going to be very strong, it's PLA, and it's going to be easy to use, giving you smooth outcomes. Also, no bubbling or warping, things like that. Once you get your settings dialed in, you're going to get some really nice prints. Now, let's get a close-up of the print. Now, this is Mr. Barrel here. He is going to be a pen holder. He printed out really nice. There was no issues, no problems with the layers. If you look at it layer by layer, it just printed out really smooth. And this is going to be straight from the settings to the printer. There was no adjustments really made. So yes, there could have been some slight adjustments to get the layers a little bit smoother, but straight from the computer to the printer, this looks amazing. And what really gets me is the way that the layers lay down. When the material really combines, it even has a slight shading to it. So it really looks like a natural wood. If you had this on the desk and from afar, you would think it would be made out of wood instead of this PLA material. So guys, once again, this is going to be the PLA wood material by Conjure. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.